What's up, guys? Well, today we're trying Portuguese custard tarts from Trader Joe's. We got these because it kind of looks like egg tarts, which is like a Chinese and Taiwanese like dessert type of thing. So yeah, we like those a lot, so we wanted to try these, and I guess we're gonna taste them and see if they're good, and we're also gonna compare them to the egg tarts. So let's go into the oven.
You could thaw these out so it's faster bake time. And since these are already thawed out, we just baked them for 15 minutes at 350 degrees.
Which one looks better? This one or that one?
I like that one because that's like,
okay.
that little bit of toastiness.
That's all oil and butter. It tastes like a croissant though. Okay. Oh yeah. Also, one of the main differences is that this is supposed to be hot, and the egg tarts are supposed to be cold. We have 4 in a package. I don't know what it looks like. So it's like a croissant, and like an eggy, milky type of thing in the middle, but it doesn't taste like egg. I like it a lot. 1 out of 10. I'll give it a 10. I could eat this all day.
Here's the nutrition facts and the ingredients, if you're wondering. And that's how the front looks right there. They're really good. We hope that Trader Joe's will keep these for a while, right?
And compared to an egg tart, this one tastes more salty, I guess, instead of sweet. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.